loves, welcome back. Jumping straight into it. So this is going to be a video showing you how I water bleached and how I watercolored this wig. I did get this wig from hurelahair. It did come with an elastic band and a wig cap. And this is the hair that I did get, body wave 24 inches. And it does come with adjustable straps and the 3 combs, two on the side, my bad, and 1 in the front. Y'all, this hair was super soft. So yeah, if you're interested, just make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so of course for this method you are gonna need bleach, and I got the bleach BW2 extra strength bleach that I usually use for, like, you know, bleaching knots and stuff. That's what it looks like. And then I went in with 40 volume developer cream base. To make sure you get the water base and not the cream, because I'm having to do an extra step in this process by adding hot water. So yeah, go ahead and make sure you get the water base instead of the cream base. And then always eyeball it to what you prefer. If it's a long wig, short wig, in general, eyeball it. So that's basically what I'm doing, trying to make sure I have enough to actually lift my hair. So as of right now, you're seeing me actually just stir it all together. You do not want a thick consistency. Try to make sure you get it more of a water consistency. If I did the water one, then it would have already been that way. But I'm having to do a different step. Okay, as you see me pouring the water right here, this is the extra step that I was talking about. Make sure this is a bleach bath. So make sure that the consistency is very liquidy and watery for this process. I'm just basically stirring just to make sure I get all the lumps and everything out, to make sure it's prepared and ready to go. All right, so we're going and putting the wig in. Make sure you try to dip it back and forth. Y'all, please don't get this particular bucket. Make sure you get a clear bucket. Dollar Tree did not have one, so make sure you get something clear that you can see through and something that's huge. But yeah, so anyway, I am moving on, trying to make sure I comb out my hair. This process or this step is not necessarily, because later on I made sure I detangle the hair way good, so you don't have to do this step. But I did, trying to make sure I detangled everything. But yeah. All right, right now I'm just dipping it back in and out just to make sure I get every single strand coated and everything, and ready to make sure we can bleach everything properly. Basically, just going in and out. Just keep doing that for a while until you get it done, get it right. All right, this is the foil that I did use to cover it up to make it heat a little bit faster. Okay, so this is what it lifted to after about 40 minutes. And to be honest, I was really satisfied with it lifting just that, because I was scared that it would ruin my hair. So I went ahead and just stopped after an extra like 10 minutes. And the only reason it got to this color, only lifted to this color, is because I didn't put that much bleach in there like I thought I should have. Make sure you put a little bit more bleach, because that water does dilute that. So adding more bleach will definitely lift it a little bit higher, but it ended up working out in the end. Okay, so the next step I'm doing is basically washing everything out. Make sure I'm getting all that product that I put in the hair, all that bleach and everything out of the hair. And what I'm using is Dawn dish soap. Yes, I'm using that. The only reason why I'm using this is because I didn't have any clarifying shampoo, but this is the next best next thing, if I'm saying it right, to help make sure you clarify your wig and make sure you get all that gunk and that stuff out of your hair. So this is what I'm doing right now. Just make sure I'm getting everything out. And after this step, what I did was, once I rinsed this part out, I only washed it once with the dishwashing, Dawn soap. The next process I did do or go in is with my silicone mix. But I actually used the bamboo, and this really did help bring that wig back to life. Like, yes, honey. Yes. So I was highly suggest on getting that. I never tried the bamboo version, but silicone mix is a must, especially when you're actually, doing chemicals or putting chemicals into a wig that you just bought. So yeah, that's what I did. Okay, my next step is the actual water color method. So I'm going for like a ginger color, and to achieve that color you need hot water, of course. And then I went in French cognac, cinnamon, and Cajun spice as my colors. I used all 3 full bottles of them. Making sure I get all the product out, y'all. I did not want to waste any product, just to make sure I get the color that I wanted. And right here you see me just adding in some water for the leftover residue, shaking it up, and make sure I get all of it out, y'all. We're not wasting no money over here. Trust and believe. No, no, no. And I did that for every single color or every single bottle. Okay, so now I'm just making sure I mix everything together very, very well, y'all. This black, again, do not get this. Make sure you get a clear bowl, a clear big bowl, so you can see what you're doing, and making sure like all of the color is saturated together. So yeah, I did not like the fact that I did that. But anyway, you live and you learn. I went ahead and added petroleum jelly just to make sure I don't stain my lace. So right now we're dipping it back into the bowl. Hot water, color and everything is in there. And of course, you just want to make sure you get everything, every strand. Make sure everything is actually getting colored so you won't miss a spot. And just basically just run your fingers through it, dip it back in and out. That's exactly what I'm doing, just making sure all the color is on there and dipping it in and out of the bowl or whatever it's called. I was so upset with that part, but anyway. I wanted to make sure I got every single strand and make sure that the color was saturated well into my wig. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm gonna just let that sit for a little bit, and to help rinse out the wig or make sure I get that petroleum off of my wig, I went in with dish soap, and then I went in with my regular shampoo, and I actually deep conditioned the wig again with my Aunt Jackie's deep conditioner, and this is what the end result looks like. So yeah, I am actually satisfied with the color that it came out to. It's more of like a ginger color. It's in the light, well, like true lighting outside, it does turn up a little bit more orange, but this is the results. And thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Don't forget to make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. Until next time, bye.